Hi and welcome to the what does it say? Anyway, general. I'll be ready live. It's episode 6, season 5, and I have to do something with my website. It's running WordPress. So right away, what I'll be doing is grab the new 2025 theme, official theme, and download it, upload it, so you can see that in the process. For my website it works a little bit different than maybe expected. Depends on your WordPress setup. And this is streamed live, recorded. That's how I do it. And I got a pinch in the back, right shoulder. For you for first time here, this is a live intro for anybody watching the recorded version. So you can also check at the end of the stream recording. There will be a summary as things develop along the way. Nobody knows. And I also have chapters set up. As I go through the stream, I'll keep notes for the time marks, timestamps. I think I need to switch here now. Yeah, switch here because now for the live aspects of the show, I need to tend to that, and that means well, play the soundtrack, grab this is multi-stream, so I have 3 more chats to get here, and also share the desktop so you can see what I'm doing, monitoring, setting up the monitors, and also this work stuff. So it's 2025 theme. I want to check it out. It's a kind of more generalized. I like that. So I need to make sure that we're live on the streams. Haven't been on for a few days, and I'm quickly losing the hang of this, and I like doing it. I like recording for the posterity and anybody who is curious how stuff is done. Also how this channel grows. Oh, I'm just looking to put few sensor pixels on. Now let's see. So live on TikTok, Twitch, I see. Do I have okay, live on DLive, live on YouTube, live on Kick, yeah. I'll be monitoring the Kick. F5, check the TikTok. And grab stuff from the throw. I'm starting to consider dialing down cutting down stream destinations to just 3-4 platforms. Can I get TikTok live? Yeah. Great. I got the chat for TikTok. That's nice. Also, make sure that the audio is clear, huh? Is the audio clear? Are we all clear? Let me know if it's too loud or annoying. I'll at least cool down the music. Okay, the live last chats was the timing 6 minutes. Well, I've done the official intro for the recorded viewers, and we live here can do now our own thing, because I've got everything going for us here. Okay, my Kick channel is followership took the lead. Congratulations, everybody. Then I think D Live with 3 followers. And I think I have 3 followers on TikTok. For Trovo, I don't know. I have couple people joined the channel. But I don't understand their terminology. They're playing their own thing. So my top 2 channels are YouTube and Kick. I've just recently started on TikTok. I get to keep my 180 days live access on TikTok. That's nice, great news. Thanks everybody for making that happen. We joined the TikTok. Well, we are seeing now the preview of a 2025 theme, and I'll actually open my website. What I want to do, I want to make my website work well with on mobile. What WordPress done recently well is the responsive view for grid design layout. I'm still working on this dashboard. I took some time off stream to actually edit the episodes on using TikTok, Twitch, and I use TikTok also to trim the end of the long stream. I always keep the links for my stream recordings on the website. That's why I use it for. The website is not a big deal, it's my living canvas. I always improve on it. I'm not a professional full-time web designer. just at least follow the standards. And with that said, like usually I always mark the chapters for streams, during streams, so I can easier editing later. What would be the first step here? Well, I guess download the WordPress theme and change to this scene, full screen. Oh yeah, it's a very occupied desktop. Can I clear it out a little bit? I guess I can. And just for a refresher, what I've done last time was the day 8 of arts, Eddy arts. I made a video. Let's have a look at it. Where did I put it? I put it here. Here's the masterpiece. It's a draft video compilation from my illustrations that I'll redo, remake into NFTs. That's the idea. So that's why I was doing it. I was checking in the last stream the Windows free video editing tools, how I used to do it. I'll probably migrate all my workflows into Blender. Okay, I need to download this theme. And I have too many things here also. I need to move this away, all these folders. For website, that's where my conversions money making is happening. I generally don't sell anything except the advertising space on my website, and I have a network of websites, and they start from the top level domain at edoga landing, and there is the blog, and this is more like what you just seen is more like a landing page. This is where I keep the articles about all the videos I make and keep the references. Then there is the dedicated Unchained, Unscrambled, Obscure Grunge Outsiders collection website that I quite like how it turned out. I like how it works as a gallery, how the posts work well as a gallery. And for example, here is the link like inventory, because this is like a NFT collection website, and link inventory is the gallery, and the illustrations are framed so good that it turns out this way by default by the WordPress, creating the featured images for each article. And even on a mobile, like for example, if we look here, it will load behind me and on top of me, in front and on below and on top. So that will be like a very narrow display like on mobile. So I actually understand that most people are on mobiles. Hey, Eddy. And it's best to make content for the mobile. So I'll actually try the 2025 theme for WordPress and see how would it work for the mobile first design concept. There is another thing with the websites and images. They're not so good. Widescreen images on mobile are not that great. I think the square images work best for mobiles. This would be more like a, at the moment, screen size like a tablet. So wide images observed on mobile. If I duplicate this, for example, page here, and make this as a mobile page, this will be about the size of the mobile. So the square images work way better. This is a zoomed in mobile view. It fits, just about fits. Maybe zoom out a notch. Can we see that mobile? No. Okay, here it is. This would be like a 640 the Galaxy S3 model, like a low-level mobile. Most of us internet users are poor, so I guess the majority of internet users are on mobiles today, and unfortunately looked into their favorite apps, can't reach the internet, the rest of the internet, can't see websites. That's their own, I don't know, ignorance. There's so much more internet than those three apps people mostly use. And what I'm looking to do is, well, like I said, grab that theme. Actually, I have that theme enabled. I just need to enable it. Network enable. And get it here, yeah. F5. And I'll check it right away. Activate. So it's activated on a website. If I look full screen over here and press here F5, and here looks cleaner. I like better white for the website. I like best for the images. Yeah. Works much better for images than the dark theme. I like dark theme, but not everything works well. Maybe text, but I've noticed even the reading also kind of makes me want to work. What I don't like about this theme is that it's loading content from whole content from the pages. It should not be doing that. Why is that going on? This looks neat. So this is coming from the template 2025. It's loading quite a bit. Is this the infinite? How does this work? What's going on here? Infinite feed. Is it loading as I'm scrolling down? Okay, there's the next page. Here are all the episodes. I've decided to keep just one video per page load, so I'll disable this. But it loaded also all games, all Godot games. I don't need that. But for viewing images, this works so much better. And it loads content of all of the and what I need here is edit site. So what do I have here? What does this theme, what did it bring in? I open this for mobile. Okay, it's loading all the games, that's not good. So it loads the whole content. Is there an option for that? Query loop. And what's the query loop type here? The post template. I'll go back here one page. So this post template query loop, what does it show? Template block. Group, feature, image, title, content, date, full. Block home, the template. Create block theme, no. So template, header, comments, discussion, design. So it gives me the preview of the design. Okay, this is what I like better now with the latest WordPress. I was looking more like something. What is active now? The design. The block. Create block theme. I need to do that. This will be interesting. Create theme variation. Create theme. I also need to create a theme clone theme, so I can work with this one without messing around with it. I don't like how it turned out right away. What I need is the editor. Now let me check what's going on here. The design, pages. Okay, these are my pages. I don't need that. There are the templates. It's trying to load all the and run the games. $20.25. I'm looking for a blog home. Okay, so this one is active now. The template blog home. Pages, archives, index. Order, items, template description, author. What's this number one thing showing on filter? Not sure. So I can see right away that this doesn't work well for me, so what I need to do is find a way how to perhaps export a existing template, like from here. Theme variation, template, blank theme, create theme. So I'm not looking at the complete theme workover, just a template parts. A template, okay. Options for templates, blog home, header footer design. How about this? Can I apply this to the subscribe, yeah, that's the thing. So I can change the way here, just select the design for a home page. What would be here? the tests. There is no image for the tests. Okay, no featured image. And then go, these things go, okay, the latest posts. And on mobile that looks like this. So how would this first look like on mobile? I think I know. Okay. Then what about this thing? Only images. This is more like a gallery. And this is just the blog titles, article titles. There are a few things that I don't like with the blog themes. They change how the website works. They don't change how it works, they just remove the default template applied. So if I have a look, save this, what is the default? What was the default thing here? Right aligned. Use blog with the sidebar. I like that. On mobile, sidebar would collapse to the bottom. What would be the sidebar? Desktop. Oh, the latest. Okay. Latest Dodge Creep. So test chapter 7. What are these? 2, 3. What is the sidebar in this case? So what is the default? What was the default? Template. Theme. Export, create, reset theme. Okay, reset. Yeah. So it will reload and go the way it was a few moments ago. But can I go back, for example, here? Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is full content of the first. It shows the full content of the articles. That's not good, because it will load every game. I just need the se5 perhaps, but I want to keep the theme's original default stuff. Okay, I'm here in the editor. What does the article show? Just the, okay, this is not bad. Template go out, the patterns. Call to action. Few more designs. the blog. Okay, styles. Here's what I need. Well, I'll take a short break here, and what I need for a conclusion, so I also mark these chapter summaries. And in conclusion for this section, stream segment, so I enabled the 2025 theme, and what doesn't work for me is the fact that it loads whole content, full article content. That means it loads all the embed like videos and also game demos that I have, and that I have working differently in the theme I used to use. And I will change the theme back to the one I had before, and I'll hack around my way through this to get the, it was this thing, the child clone theme. So activated it. Let me reload this to make sure it is. Yep. And if I go back here and open it in new page, let me see. Yes, this is how it usually looks, and I want it to work also. So what I can do, I can actually have this theme open, and I need to another running WordPress, so I can copy, clone and copy this layout, this theme from this template for the home page into 2025 theme. So I'll clone this template. Is there a way to export templates? Let's say if I say customize templates, and if I say blog home, what's my default? Which one of these is my currently running? Maybe it shows somewhere which one is active at the moment, but I don't see it. All archives, index. So what is the currently running template? Blog home. This is blog home. Okay, so I changed it from blog home. Okay. Edit view revisions, reset, edit, template description. So is it possible to export a template? Yes, it is if I want to mess around, break and fix things, but I want to do it more a bit maybe longer way around, but I'm sure it's a more reliable way. I have only option to create a new complete theme that I don't need. I just need a template part, actually part of a theme which is a template. Save changes to theme, change theme variation, but again, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a template, and I don't see here an option to save it. So if I open it to make sure nothing's changed, so this needs to, I need this. Well, actually, well, like I said, short break. This is a break summary, and I need to get this thing going like this, so it's not the art stream, it's the worker mode, like that. Also here it's not the arts, it's worker. Yep. And for the intermission we'll go like this, and I pull this down. Can I say shuffle this? Next, play. Be right back with you in a few moments. here I am. It's just still a break going on. Break is still on. I'm getting ready for the next segment. I always put emphasis and advantage on having is having own website, my own. I like computers and network since I was before the internet. I was thinking about it in theory as a young person, and now when it's actually reality, I'm thinking putting more emphasis, making it into like my own digital place. I pay for the hosting and use it as a living canvas. Did I say that already? I say that often, repeat that often. Living canvas, my own website, my own rules. So I don't need to wait for, I don't know, any platform to monetize me. I've got monetization on my own website. That's why I put so much weight and emphasis on it. It's not a full server that I can run whatever I want, but at least web pages and embed, include content I want. And I can actually, using the WordPress, make it look the way I like. That will be efficient for visitors, for viewers. Okay, let's go back, transition back to the official show. I need to change these things around, like the soundtrack, background music to the official, the original Skinner's Room soundtrack. And well, so Oliver Eddy here, I'm back, your host who loves you the most. I didn't want to do this thing over again, not having a recording of it for anybody who's curious how these things work, like using WordPress and building a website. WordPress includes some also programmable or dynamic content. Actually, logic allows to be set up on it, let's say, how the content will be presented. It's been quite long since I last time worked. It's been a year since my last streams about the WordPress, and it's not that I lost the hang of it. I'm actually got used to this layout, but which is this, but this is not good for mobile. Here we would have a navigation menu, like usual on websites, and a list of content. So for what I do most recently is the stream dailies, the Godot game engine learning, Blender learning, and arts. So I'm kind of established that aspect. And I wanted to make that better represented this is the home page, the landing page for a domain where the website is hosted, and you first you see only the first article. This should be more condensed. I'll give that 2025 theme one more try. I will give it one more try, let's see. I like the, I don't know. Yes and no. Maybe best thing would be to work with a page like this, with the experimental page, where I can build a... Yeah, I'll do this. I'll actually edit this page and edit this site, but it's actually just this thing. And what's in this page? If I say block parent revision, parent, okay, there's the parent page. Okay, template is pages, create a swap template. Oh, show template. Okay, so I wanted to see the template. So I don't need, there is a footer, header footer already applied. That's good. And what I need is, actually I need to copy this and replace all this page. There's no featured image. I don't like featured images, they take too much space. Especially for returning users. You, after, I don't know, after one time visiting a website, you right away scroll off the featured image. So what I need to do here is copy all this, remove all this featured comments, footer. I don't need any of this. Okay, don't show the template. Don't show it. So I got the row and these two, okay, these two things. Delete them and paste that block. That's the group. Why didn't I get the width? Desktop, tablet, mobile, desktop. Group. Come on, you group. So what's in the group? Next first the blocks. What's next? Post template. So if I save this and click on view, so it's okay, this is because that's the way the template works. It holds everything in here. I can make this work full width. And that would be get the group down here and set it to wide or even full. And now it will show like the original view page. Yeah, now it's all same like the original thing. Only difference is that it has a title. It looks like I'm missing a title here. But sometimes I don't like titles. Title I wouldn't like on mobile because it would take a lot of space. I'm out of coffee, people. I'm not sure I'll be cooking the next one to continue this. I'll just try to prototype how I want this to work. But I will again switch around the I will play with the new theme just to check it out again. Themes, okay, theme, this is the network, okay. Theme design. Yeah, themes 2025. I will activate it. Well, actually I have it activated here. Let me check. Did I activate it? No, I didn't. Themes. Activate this thing. 2025, so I can play with it here. And if I have a look at the website with the 2025 theme, it changes the way the order how the posts are shown, but what I want to double check is the theme settings, general, reading, writing. So reading, the latest post, so that would be excerpt. Can I have this just work with the excerpt? Is now that enabled? I think it still uses what's in the template. So to change how this looks, I would need to edit the site. It does show the, I think it does respect this, but it enforces what's set in the theme. So if I click here, customize the theme, I should okay, I clicked it here. So here I would need to fix the query loop, query type. I would need to say custom, post per page, post sticky posts include, and post template. So the template is built like this, and I should then remove the content and change it to add here the excerpt. Yeah. Actually, delete. Yeah, I'm being careful. Yeah, save. So this is how it looks. Okay. Blog. Header group. Okay, template. Template theme. Okay, theme. Change theme. Save. Styles, blocks. Where is the design? Oh, here it is. Okay, here it is. So if I want to make this work, what's in here? So there are 3 groups, 3 different query loops, stack, query loop, column, stack, query loop. I like what they're doing here, but they're silly or even crazy. So how to make this like this concept. Let me see how this look on the mobile. So what's in this query loop? Custom, it's a custom one, include stickies, include options. What are the options for it? Posts, offset, post per page 1, 1. And if I change this, that will be what? So how did this skip newest to oldest? Custom post. A filter was the filter? No. That's the include, and the second one goes, that's the offset 3. What's here? Offset. There's no offset. How is the offset applied here? Post per page offset. Display, okay, it's the display, okay. So offset 3, so this would be offset 2 then. Quite certain, so this will be 1 offset, okay, offset 1, so offset 0, this will be the first one. I could try this, so the excerpt. This looks interesting. I'll actually try this over here. 2025 activate, and on the edit site themes, so I'll go customize, and in the blog, if I click it, okay, it loads this. Nice. So design, I select this crazy thing, and this will work much better, but I need it to work different way, so I need select. I wanted to show these. Okay, it does show, but looks like everything is the same. So here I want 1, 2. Okay, I think I got it. Select this over here. Give me this. No, not that. Just go here and narrow this. Come on. Stick together. Okay, so first post is parts, cool. And that is because this query loop shows query loop. Okay, query loop. Sticky post include. Yeah. So that should be the first one. Yeah. And the next one should be, next one was why don't I get the, so it includes the, let me see that again. I don't need this. So the second one should be, what if I try and open this over here? What does this look like? Or even if I say duplicate and it loads it with this. So this is how it should look like. Yeah. It's a little bit too messy. Okay, gotcha, I gotcha. So this query loop is, oh, okay, I don't have here offsets. That is the thing here with this. So if I want to, okay, got this home page, this, and now with this style, and edit this here. Okay, so for a loop, first I got that. That's okay. Newest to oldest, no filter. Good. Next one, I don't want to be oh, that's 3. So what's in the number 3? Okay, I need to change actually this. I don't want this to show. So if I open this post, I edit it and say, listen, you're not anymore you're not the sticky. Yep. And sticky, that's in the template that is defined as include sticky posts. Okay, cool. So if I reload this, I won't get that. I'll get the learning blender. Cool. And okay, so I don't need now. Let's reload it. What I need is the Godot game engine. What is this? Okay, so this thing include offset 1, offset 1, 3. Why is this 3? Offset 3. So query loop this, and then the stack offset 2 is here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then offset 4. Okay. So how does this look on the mobile? I got first test WebSocket, Dodge, 3D, and day 7. So on mobile, it's test WebSocket, Dodge, art chapter. Can I remember this? To compare, so it's first tests WebSocket, Dodge, creeps, 3D squash, and day 7. So how do these last stack? Dodge, squash, and art. So yeah. this would be interesting. So what do I have? Where is it? I want to show art, learning, and Godot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's similar to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this structure is a little bit more complex. I think I'll close the stream somewhat soon. It takes me long to get in the efficient mindset for working with this. I was quite long away from playing with this, especially changing the theme completely. And my images would need rework to make them work with this. Some of the images just don't work well. Let me see if I break this into tablet. Let's say iPad mini, and I turn it around like this. Okay, it fits. Okay, not bad, not bad. But I don't know. It's too busy. It looks interesting, but it is too busy. See what I'll do with this. So this is 2025 theme. Just can't work with this. If I open it in the next tab, so if I open this article, okay, the image is cut that way, but the white bright theme works better with the images. I don't know, now I'm getting really competing thoughts about one and the other. Are these things not don't stick together like that? Yeah, like this. Well, before I make this over complicated, I'll change the theme back to the one that was originally on the website, which is the child. Yep, which works better. What I like about 2025, it has more styles, color styles. I'd like to go with this thing. Actually, I think this, no, this font and type of, I don't want the serifs. Don't give me serifs. Typography, okay, no serif, no sans serif is this thing. Yep. And it's possible to create a style, browse styles, traditional CSS, browse styles. Oh, there is an option for a background image. Okay, blocks, styles, typography, colors, palettes, gradients, theme, show details, what is showing. Okay, it shows a custom, so I can add custom colors now, remove all colors. But I want to make my original theme also flexible. So if I try to customize my thingy, can I define more styles? My styles are a little bit broken. Why doesn't this thing show styles? Test navigation, if I click on the template, do I have it open? This is the theme, right? No, this is just the page. If I reload, block, page, reorder bin, yeah, reload this. Okay, reload. Again, white after some time starts to be aggressive. I'll stick with my theme for now. Home. So I'll change few things here. Okay, I need to change this article so it's not sticky, so everything is in the art. Yeah, don't be sticky. Show. And if I go to website on the main page, so it would be these three things showing up first. Cool. Video production in cloud, how do I do my web, and then the rest. And now to just have a look at the styles. So theme, okay, theme, save changes to theme, create variation, save font, okay. Create child theme, okay, this is good. Create child theme, clone theme, metadata, I don't need it. Blank theme, I don't need that. So all tools are available here. Styles, browse styles, color, background, typography, colors. One thing is that I can't right away distinguish is some of the options available, are they locked by the theme applied or coming through the core WordPress, like background. Some themes don't have background, but maybe it's the default block themes framework that allows them. Shadows, layout, what about the layout? Okay, that's the width, okay. So the colors, the palette. How can't I see all the theme? Yeah. I guess this theme at both page wanna be okay. Close, just close extras. Go to the site dashboard of that site, and in the appearance, themes. Okay, open the editor. So styles, okay, is this why I don't see the color styles? Like in the 2025, we can see the color styles, yeah, palettes and typography and styles. So for the older theme, like 2023, everything is locked in the packed in a style, not broken down in palettes and typography. That needs to be defined separately. I'm just not quite sure about the typography, the serifs. How would this work? Okay. I've seen enough for now. Didn't make any changes except on my website, just the main page. I may change the order, the stick, which article is sticky, so I need these first three, and the rest just go like normal blog articles. So the first, second, and the third one are sticky posts, and I want them to be first, so when it's and I'll close the stream. So I'll hit here this thing and change over here. And for the stream recapitulation of what is this, episode 6, season 5, Mali Be Ready Live. I'm your host, yeah, who loves you the most. Even you. Yeah, there's enough place in the house of Eddy love. So I looked into the WordPress theme 2025, the official theme. They publish them on a yearly basis, like to showcase what's included with the latest WordPress, let's call it core functionalities. And it it's an interesting theme. Here is how it looks. Where is it? I think I changed so it doesn't show the full post content by default. The theme uses the template for a homepage where it shows the full content of a blog, but it brings up a few more designs, and it has more elaborate styles for fonts, colors, and font typefaces, so-called font styles. Where is it? Edit palette, colors. So the development of the new blog themes styling is a kind of slow process where I started using it last year, almost a year ago. The theme, at that time I didn't use the theme that used the completely broken down, actually exposed color palette styles. Like here and typography separately, everything was packed. I used the 2023 that everything had packed in this style, in this way, everything packed in single style. Now it's possible to select between style and then customize it with the palette and typeface, the font. And I'm now considering changing to bright theme because it works better with images. I'm used to this theme and the way I customize the flow of content. What I want to do, I want to make my homepage work more efficiently and organize content better. So far I've established my content in 3 major categories, like I do the streams, like art, learning Godot, learning Blender. But I want maybe more focus to present on my website my art stuff and also the game development projects, where I can showcase the games as I learn to build. Like for example, this article holds the embed of a recent project I worked on. It's a template 3D course to creeps. So I made this example thing work with on mobile in a browser, on touch displays, touch screens. It didn't have that implemented, and now I made it work. So I want to make my website work better. For that and for the art stuff, I want this to work, the section more like, so it looks more like an article showing images, not like this when it shows just the featured images with a theme filter applied over the images. So where is it day 4? Something more like this, and I think I'll adapt the square images so it's kind of mobile first, and keep widescreen images more like a premium for desktop viewers, users, website visitors. For example, this image is almost useless on mobile. Doesn't do the thing except if you maybe zoom a bit. But again, if you zoom it, you will just see a square section of it as it fills the width of the display on mobile. Okay, so it's possible to rotate the mobile to landscape to view the image in full, but nobody does that. So if I run this into as a mobile, like a low-end mobile, majority of us poor people, we use cheap mobile, small screens. So this image doesn't work. This image works better. So it would be okay if I set 4 images, square images, to preview it like this. So that will be my focus, making this theme that I'm using, make a hybrid between 25 and this orientation for the content, organization of content, and make it work more efficiently on a mobile. For example, smaller titles, so I don't need to scroll off each time the header of a site and a title, and then go through the content, because most of my content will be the visual stuff. So this is a good, let's say, benchmark to see what content works best and how. And thanks for stopping by and checking the summary. See you sometime soon. I want to work with this on stream. I won't be doing this offline. I want to do these streams more. I'm just annoyed with how to set the category on the stream, on the platform, like which type of category is this? It's not learning, but it's experimental. Okay, it's best maybe to keep it like I did this time. Website makeover in WordPress or something like that. More specific, keeping it specific. And this is the 2025 theme. Layout a little bit like a crisscross layout, but it's just too busy. Just too busy. This is, for example, a tablet like Apple iPad mini. What would be the Air if I rotate the Air? And now it will load my website. So actually my theme works better. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.